What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative. And today we're going to roll back to the basics. Today is episode 50 of these drift tutorials. It's a pretty exciting time. But what I want to do is kind of roll it back and talk to you about how you can install the drift tracking code so you can get your widget to pop up. Now, if you're just getting started with drift, you may not want to roll this out to your entire organization. You might want to just test it on a page so that you can test a couple of your bots and see how it works. So what I'm going to do in this example is show you how to install it on one page in HubSpot, but the concept and how you would do that from the drift tool is exactly the same, except you'd be moving it into more of a global setting point of view. Of course, this works with WordPress, Joomla, HubSpot, any website platform that you would want. All you have to do is get this code and put it into your website. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Settings tab, which is right here off to the left. And then you're going to see a variety of options. Towards the bottom, you're going to see Install. When you click on Install, you'll see a couple different options. So obviously, Drift has set up a couple popular integrations already. So you've got Shopify, Segment, WordPress, but I'm a big fan of the JavaScript embed. What we can do with the JavaScript embed is you know exactly what's going into the site. It's easier for you to manage and update. And in my opinion, it's the most self-explanatory way of installing this stuff. So when we click the JavaScript version, what you're going to have to do is copy and paste this code. And Drift gives some pretty simple examples of how you're going to do that. But what you're going to do is you see this code right here. You just click copy code, or you can highlight and paste this information into your site. So when you jump over to the page that you're going to test, what you're going to want to do is find the header settings, and you're going to want to put this in the head HTML. Or if you're just looking at the code, you would want to do it right before the closing head tag. But in HubSpot, if we want to install it on one particular page, you can just go ahead and do that at the page level on the page here. And you would literally just paste your code in, and you'll see that it's going to put that code right there within the tool. You go ahead and press update. And then upon coming back to your site, you'll see the little drift chat icon if it's enabled, and it'll pop up. This is where you can test any of your lead bots or anything like that, as long as you have the targeting open to that specific page. If you have any other questions about Drift or conversational marketing, hit me up in the comments or hit me up on Twitter at RemingtonBeg. If you'd like to see other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our daily video tutorials, you can go ahead and do that right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.